Hi, here's an explanation on how to use the website technology feature in Derrick. That's quite easy. You need a list of websites. You can use any type of URL, being the complete URL like this or this one, including or not the www. You can also include URLs containing folders. We don't really care. We will just browse the page, whatever it is, including parameters. And in the special case of shortener URL, we will also follow the redirection and go to the final website. So to use the feature, choose the website technology feature in the list in the Derrick app, and then select the website column. Now you'll see that we'll have six lines to search. Just click Get Technologies and wait for the results to appear. You will get the main CMS. That's the most useful information to segment your lead database, and the complete list of technologies for the website list that you inputted. In the third column, you get the URL status, the status that we got when our robot crawled the website. In this case, a redirection. There's probably a www on the website. So we followed the redirection to go to the www, and you see that we consider this as being a success. You can see the complete list of technologies here and the CMS here. I'll go faster for the rest of the video, so you see that it also works for any type of URL. As you can see, and that's coherent, the shortener URL was a HubSpot shortener, and the main CMS is also HubSpot. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Talk to you soon. Bye.